About to record a video and wondering how to prepare? Hi, I'm Chantel Guertin. I'm a partner here at Ghost Bureau, and I've made this video to help you prepare for yours. If you've never been in a video, it can feel intimidating, but we're here to help make the process easy and fun. Here's what you can do to prepare for your video shoot. First, think about the message you want to relay on camera. Write down 3 to 5 points that you want to hit. Remember, your video is 1 to 2 minutes long, so your points can be really short. Recite your talk while you're walking, driving, doing the dishes, or in the shower. The more you can say your talk aloud, the more comfortable you will be once you get in front of the camera. Try to do this at least a day in advance. This gives your brain time to digest the talk that you want to give and work out any of the kinks so that you sound really comfortable in front of the camera. At the shoot, you may feel nervous when you see the cameras, the lights, and the film crew. Try to block everything out and just focus on the one camera in front of you. If you treat that lens like the eyes of a friend, a colleague, or a client, you'll probably feel more comfortable, as though you're just having a conversation with one person. Don't expect to be perfect. Listen, no one can recite a speech perfectly the first take, and we don't want you to. So don't worry about delivering the entire speech in one take. We actually want multiple takes of every line. We want you to be super excited in some takes and deliver some of the other lines in a more serious tone. We'd also love it if you wanted to use your hands. The more variety that you can give us for every line, the better the final result is going to be. So there's absolutely no reason to deliver that entire speech in one perfect take. If you were talking to a friend and you made a mistake, you wouldn't start your conversation right at square one. You would just correct yourself and keep going. That's what we want you to do too. It'll make you sound much more confident and comfortable on camera. Here's my final tip. A little preparation goes a long way. So even looking over your talking points in the Uber ride over to the video shoot will help. If you're about to be the subject of a video, you've probably hit it out of the park in numerous different ways in your career. So we have every confidence that you are going to be great at thinking on your feet in front of the camera. I'm Chantel Guertin, a partner at Ghost Bureau, and I'm looking forward to working with you on your next video.